Okay. So we're talking about quantum. Say that again. What's the phrase you mentioned earlier about the vacuum decay?
Vacuum decay. So we're talking about vacuum decay, not specifically quantum tunneling, but it has to do. So basically, for vacuum decay to happen is you need a particle, and this will be a very simple explanation. Like, there's a lot more detail to it. But basically you have a particle that quantum tunnels into a place it's basically not supposed to be.
Yeah.
Which breaks, makes a chain reaction, which eventually breaks the Higgs field, aka destroying all the laws of reality, and everything goes flat.
But that's it. That's if this event happens?
Yes.
We're going this way. But this obviously hasn't happened, or the universe would be destroyed.
Yes, especially since this is only theoretical, and even...
What would cause this event to happen?
Quantum tunneling, which happens all the time, but it's on such a small level, and the chance for it to be in this exact, very specific, even if you think about it, even though there's so many freaking universes, or atoms, or particles, or whatever everywhere, it's still so unlikely that it would happen that even if it was theoretical, it might not have happened yet. There's still a chance that it might not have happened yet.
Well, there's people have said, like, you've heard the super collider that they're doing. They spin the particles around and smash them at each other. That the biggest one they're building, there was some people that worried when they turned it on that it would cause that would cause a rip in the Higgs field and destroy the universe. And they turned it on and it didn't happen. But there's not to say that a more powerful one could potentially cause the collapse of the universe.
The thing is,
which would suck, but we wouldn't know. We'd just all be dead.
Wiped out in literally seconds, the whole planet is gone. And
the whole universe, right?
No.
We create basically like a black hole.
Basically like a black hole, but a hell of a lot more dangerous. Because it doesn't need mass to expand, it just expands forever.
It's Trump on a tank. Wow, okay. So back to things that are far more interesting than Trump on a tank.
But basically it would rip a hole in the universe, and because of this, it would just infinitely expand. It doesn't need any mass, it doesn't need anything to expand, it just does.
Yeah.
But theoretically, if this did happen, or it already has, assuming it doesn't happen directly here on our planet, it could have happened pretty far away, and we'll probably never know if the universe is actually expanding, because it expands at a rate where it wouldn't catch up to us. So it would just infinitely create stuff and then devour it. Infinite loop while we just float away and never know what happened.
That's really rad, Silas. I mad props for teaching this stuff to yourself.
That was an extremely simple explanation, but
no, I think that's a great explanation. I've read about this years ago. So anyway, thanks. Good job.
Quantum tunneling is confusing.
It confused me when you first did the experiment. I'm like, what? Putting your fingers on a glass and looking at the light? Like, that's not actually quantum tunneling. But then I read about it and you told me, I was like, what?
It's so, the thing is, like, quantum tunneling does happen a lot, but it doesn't happen on a very big scale, because technically this would never happen. Like, I guess it could in maybe way too far away. I can't even say the numbers. But it might be possible for someone to go through a wall because of quantum tunneling, but that's so unlikely that, like, I seen this thing when looking it up. I kept seeing this thing of people saying that you could, like...
Huh? Anyway.
That
Thanks,
you could,
Alice.
like, put your hand inside a wall because of quantum tunneling, but no, that's never going to happen. It's a single part, not even an atom, particle in one of the atoms. The quantum tunneling, the chance for every single particle and every single atom and fiber in your body, that's so unlikely that it's never going to happen in 10 trillion years, probably more.
Okay.
And that's just for half of your hand. Like, your whole body, no, that's not happening, sorry.